Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel coderslobby. Today we are going to discuss about select case statement. In the previous video we have learnt about if else if statement. If we have multiple conditions, then we have to use if else if statement. So instead of using the multiple else if conditions, we will introduce select case statement. So let's move to the practical implementation, that how we can implement select case statement instead of multiple else if conditions. Now we are in the Visual Basics editor. Here we'll create two variables, one of type integer and the second one is of type string. So our first variable will be the score, which is of type integer as integer comma result. We'll create the second variable result as string. Now initialize the value of score. Then we have to write score is equal to a range of a2 dot value. Then we have to write our select case statement. Select case score, and below this we have to write our cases. So first case is greater than equal to 80, then the value of result is equal to excellent. And our second case will copy the same case and paste it below, and just we have to change the value with 70 and the value of result will be good. Again we'll copy the same code and change it with 50 and we'll replace excellent with average. At last we will use case else. So for that we'll write case else and we'll set the value of result is equal to insufficient. At last we'll end the select statement and select and set the value of result variable in range a2. Range b2 dot value is equal to result. So the value of result will get stored in the cell b2. Now let's move to the Excel and try to run the macro. Okay, you will see as I will click on the select, the value of b2 will get changed. You can see as I clicked on the select button, the value of b2 is good. So let's replace the 70 with 80 and try to run the macro again. You can see the value of b2 is excellent. Now it's replace with 60 and run the macro. You can see the value of b2 is average. Let's replace it with 12 and run the macro. You can see the value of b2 is insufficient. So that's how we can use select statement instead of using the multiple else if conditions, and it is easy to use and make our code efficient. So it is recommended that we have to use select case statement instead of using multiple else if conditions. Thanks for watching the video. I hope the video is useful for you. Please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any update whenever we post the new videos to our channel. We'll meet in our next video. Till the time, bye bye.